Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're aiming for a Band 9 in your IELTS speaking test, you're in the right place. Today, we're doing a full IELTS speaking mock test on one of the most popular modern topics, technology and the internet. It's a great topic because it allows you to demonstrate flexible grammar, advanced vocabulary, and analytical thinking.
We'll go through Part 1, Part 2, and Part 3, with Band 9 sample answers and clear explanations of what the examiner expects. Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your IELTS study buddies. Alright, let's get connected. Part 1 is the warm-up section where the examiner asks you questions about familiar, everyday topics. To reach Band 9, your answers should sound natural, not robotic. Give details, short examples, or mini-stories that show your personality.
Let's talk about technology. How often do you use the internet?
I use the internet every single day, probably more than I should. I rely on it for almost everything: studying, communicating, shopping, and even managing my finances. It's become such an integral part of my daily routine that it's hard to imagine life without it. I try to limit my screen time, but honestly, the internet makes everything so convenient that I'm constantly online.
What's your favorite app or website?
I'd say YouTube is my favorite. It's like an endless library of knowledge and entertainment rolled into one. I use it to watch educational videos, documentaries, and even fitness tutorials. The algorithm is quite addictive though. Once you start, you can easily lose track of time. Still, I think it's an amazing platform for learning and creativity.
Do you think technology has changed our lives?
Absolutely, technology has revolutionized the way we live. From how we work to how we socialize, everything is faster, easier, and more connected. For example, we can video call someone on the other side of the world in seconds, something unimaginable just a few decades ago. Of course, it also comes with downsides like over-reliance and privacy issues. But overall, the benefits far outweigh the drawbacks.
How has technology helped you in your studies or work?
It's been a game changer. I use digital tools to organize my schedule, access online libraries, and collaborate with classmates through shared documents. Apps like Google Drive and Notion keep me on track and streamline my workflow. I can't imagine going back to pen and paper planning.
Do you prefer using a computer or a smartphone?
It depends on what I'm doing. For studying or working, I prefer my laptop because it's more comfortable for multitasking and writing. But for quick communication or entertainment, my smartphone is unbeatable. It's basically my portable assistant. I carry my whole world in my pocket.
Are there any apps you find useless or annoying?
Yes, I think some social media apps can be quite distracting. They're designed to keep you scrolling endlessly with notifications and ads. While they help you stay connected, they can easily become a time-sucking black hole if you're not careful. I've turned off most of my notifications to stay focused.
In Part 2, you'll get a cue card and 1 minute to prepare. Then speak for 1 to 2 minutes. To score a Band 9, structure your answer clearly. Introduction, description, experience, reflection, and speak naturally, not memorized. You'll get extra points for showing a wide range of grammar and vocabulary, especially when expressing feelings or opinions.
Describe a piece of technology you find useful in your daily life.
The piece of technology I rely on the most is my smartphone. I use it from the moment I wake up until I go to bed. It serves multiple purposes: communication, productivity, and entertainment. I use it to check emails, set reminders, and track my fitness routine. During my commute, I listen to podcasts or audiobooks, which makes even boring journeys productive. What I find most impressive is how it allows me to stay connected with people across the globe in real time. It's also incredibly helpful for learning. I can access online courses, dictionaries, and research materials with just a few taps. In short, my smartphone is like my personal assistant and teacher combined. I honestly can't imagine my life without it. It saves time, keeps me organized, and makes learning more interactive. Of course, I try to take digital detoxes occasionally, but overall, I think it's one of the greatest inventions of modern times.
Part 3 is the analytical section. Here, the examiner expects you to discuss broader ideas, such as how technology influences society, work, and education. To score Band 9, use complex sentences, make comparisons, and give examples to support your opinions. Show flexibility by using linking phrases like, in contrast, from my point of view, to some extent, and all things considered.
How has technology changed the way people communicate?
It has completely transformed communication. In the past, people relied on letters or landline calls, which were slow and limited. Now, with messaging apps and video calls, we can interact instantly, regardless of distance. The downside is that digital communication sometimes lacks emotional depth. Emojis can't replace real facial expressions or tone. Still, it's remarkable how connected the world has become.
Do you think people spend too much time on their phones?
Yes, I believe many people do. Smartphones are incredibly useful, but also highly addictive. With constant notifications and social media updates, it's easy to lose track of time. I think the real challenge now is learning how to use technology mindfully rather than letting it control us.
What are some disadvantages of modern technology?
One major drawback is the loss of privacy. So much of our data is stored online, from our shopping habits to our locations. Another issue is that people have become overly dependent on devices, leading to reduced face-to-face interaction and shorter attention spans. In a way, technology connects us globally but disconnects us personally.
How can schools help students use technology effectively?
Schools should teach digital literacy, not just how to use technology, but how to use it responsibly. Students need to understand online safety, critical thinking, and how to evaluate information. Integrating technology in education should enhance creativity, not replace real-world learning.
Do you think technology will make some jobs disappear?
Yes, that's already happening. Automation and AI are replacing repetitive tasks, especially in manufacturing and data processing. However, I also believe new types of jobs will emerge, ones that require creativity, emotional intelligence, and problem solving. It's not about losing jobs, but about evolving skill sets.
What do you think technology will be like in the future?
In the future, I imagine technology will become even more personalized and immersive, perhaps through virtual reality education, AI assistants, and smart homes. It's exciting, but also slightly worrying, because the more advanced technology becomes, the more we'll need to think about ethics and human connection. The key will be finding balance between innovation and humanity.
And that's the end of our IELTS Speaking Full Mock Test on the topic technology and the internet. We covered Part 1. Personal questions about your tech habits. Part 2. A cue card describing a useful device. Part 3. A thoughtful discussion on how technology shapes our lives and future. To reach Band 9, remember to speak naturally and confidently. Use idioms and advanced vocabulary naturally. Give clear, well-structured and balanced answers. Show awareness of both advantages and disadvantages. If you enjoyed this session, please like, subscribe, and share this video with your IELTS friends. Comment below which topic you'd like next, maybe education, health or environment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Band 9 speaking practice video.